Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning English Pro. Get ready once again to boost your English skills and expand your vocabulary with this easy lesson on jewellery. Make sure to check out the word list in the description below. If you're ready, let's jump straight in. The first thing we will take a look at is the word jewellery itself, which has a different spelling in American and British English. So check that out on screen right now. It's not a really big deal if you confuse the two. So let's take a look at some jewellery items that you may be familiar with, and we're going to start with the top of the head and work our way down the body. Our first item of jewellery is a crown. Repeat after me. Crown. And this of course is generally worn by kings and queens. Similar to a crown, we have tiara. Repeat after me. Tiara. Let's move on to our next jewellery item, which is hairpin. Repeat after me. Hairpin. Our next type of jewellery is called an earring. Repeat after me. Earring. Let's take a look at a few different types of earrings. Up first we have stud earrings. Stud earrings. And another type of earrings is teardrop earrings. Repeat after me. Teardrop earrings. We also have hoop earrings. Repeat after me. Hoop earrings. Let's move on. Our next type of jewellery is called a nose piercing. Nose piercing. Something else which can be worn on the nose is a nose ring. Nose ring. Up next, let's move to our next body part. We have tongue piercing. Tongue piercing. The word piercing comes from the verb to pierce, and this is the action of piercing someone's skin to put in a jewellery item. If this is your first time visiting Learning English Pro, you're very welcome. My name is Jer and I'm narrating your lesson today. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's get back to our lesson, and up next we're going to look at things you wear on your neck. First up we have necklace. Repeat after me. Necklace. A type of necklace which is a bit tighter on the neck is called a choker. Repeat after me. Choker. Another style of necklace is called a chain. Repeat after me. Chain. You can also hang additional jewellery from a necklace. This is a dog tag. Dog tag. And these are associated with the army. Up next we have pendant. Repeat after me. Pendant. A type of pendant is a locket. Repeat after me. Locket. And of course, in a locket, you can have a picture of someone who is very near and dear to you. Moving on, our next type of jewellery is usually worn on a coat or a sweater. Brooch. Repeat after me. Brooch. Our next type of jewellery is generally for men's formal wear. You wear it on a tie and it's called a tie clip. Tie clip. Let's move down to our next body part, and we have navel piercing. navel piercing. This may also be known as a belly button piercing. Belly button piercing. Our next set of jewellery is all worn on the wrist or hand. Up first we have a watch. Repeat after me. Watch. And we also have a smart watch. Smart watch. Our next jewellery item is also worn on the wrist and it's called a bracelet. Repeat after me. Bracelet. A style of bracelet which is common is a charm bracelet. Repeat after me. Charm bracelet. And this is worn for good luck. Our next jewellery item is like tie clips, which are generally worn in men's formal wear. CUFFLINK. Repeat after me. CUFFLINK. Our next jewellery item is a ring. Repeat after me. Ring. And rings can be worn not only on the fingers, but sometimes on toes and even in your hair. Let's take a look at some different types of rings. Up first we have an engagement ring. Repeat after me. Engagement ring. If you have an engagement ring, you'll eventually get a wedding ring. Repeat after me. Wedding ring. A ring which is associated with American colleges is called a college ring. College ring. This type of ring is also known as a class ring. Class ring. Our next type of ring is common in the United Kingdom. Sovereign ring. Sovereign ring. Moving on, we have mood ring. Mood ring. And this type of ring changes colour according to your mood. Our final type of ring is a claddagh ring. Repeat after me. Claddagh ring. This ring comes from my homeland of Ireland and is a symbol of love. The pronunciation is a bit strange because it is an anglicised version of a Celtic Irish word. Claddagh ring. Next up, we're moving all the way down to the ankle with the anklet. Repeat after me. Anklet. And anklet brings us to the end of our lesson on jewellery. Let me know in the comments below if you think I've missed out on anything. I'd love to hear from you, and if I have enough words, I'll make a follow-up video. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos on my YouTube channel. There are tons and tons of different videos on lots of different topics. Coming up on screen are some video suggestions just for you, and there's also a link here for you to subscribe. Make sure to check out the community tab on my YouTube channel for lots of quizzes and additional content. That just leaves me to say I hope you have a fantastic day, and remember, keep learning English like a pro.